Let's go to that white building there. Right there. All right, we crossed the bridge. Nope, I want to go down here. We crossed the bridge and now we're going down the stairs and we're going to go to that white building. It's probably some sort of church. What do you think, hon? Any comment?
I don't know. I don't. Maybe I saw the wrong church. Wrong building you were speaking about what I don't think it was.
She doesn't think it was a church.
It's a building.
She thinks it's just a building. I'm
I was looking at the wrong one.
I'm gonna bet a historical building because it looks very similar to the building that's in Ponta Delgada, which is another. It's a Portuguese island, and it's got a very similar looking building. All right, we got markets here. I like local market. We like local markets and local food wherever we go. There's that building.
Oh, you mean the bell tower?
The bell tower.
Oh, I thought you meant a building. An actual
It is a
building.
building. It looked like a building from up there. All right, we'll wait till we get up there. Check it out. Well, we're here, and guess what? Andrea told me it's a church. I guessed it was a church, didn't I? Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. You really can't see much here. It's tough to see anything in here. meeting is